Hello guys, this is Subhan Arshad and this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today I am going to review the most Indian SUV which is by Mahindra, and as you can see it's the all new XUV 500. So let's start the review of its BS6 version, and the variant you are seeing on your screen is a W11 optional variant. And let's talk about the dimensions of this car. You get 4585 millimeter length, width is 1890 mm, and height is 1785 mm. The seating capacity this car has is of 7 persons, which is an perfect SUV, you can say. These are diamond cut alloy wheels from Mahindra, which look more aggressive and more stylish than the BS4 version. And if we talk about the tire size, you get 235 Vol 60 R18. That means these are 18-inch alloy wheels. This is the wheel arch and the cladding. As you can see, the side mirror has a side indicator on the mirror. As you can see, you get roof rails in this car of silver color. And if we talk about the handles, you get a different handles, as like the old Mahindra XUV 500, you get a request sensor. And this is the back look of the car. As you can see, it looks much muscular by before. As you can see, the XUV 500 badging and the sticker of Live Young and Live Free is written by Mahindra. This is the stop lamp, and now you can see the clear version. And this is the stop lamp of this car. As you can see, this is the roof of the car. As you can see, it is a plain roof. The mileage that company claims is of 15.1 kmpl. And as you can see, the branding of W11 is also given here. You got ABS, seat upholsteries of leather, as we all know, anti-lock braking system, which is known as ABS. These are the reverse parking sensors, as you can see, and you get reflectors at the bumper. As you can see, these are the exhaust of this car, as you can see there. And if we talk about the safety features of this car, what this car offers: 6 airbags, middle rear headrest, tire pressure monitoring system, seat belt warning, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and this is the boot space you get with the open third row seats. This is the spare tools for the, and you get 60-40 split, and you can access more boot, as you can see here. You also get hill hold control, traction control system, hill descent control is also provided, engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing door lock, child safety lock. And this is the reverse parking camera of the car. The side look of the car looks like this, and the dimensions are also given on your screen. And the ground clearances of this car is 200 mm. Minimum turning radius is 5.6 meter. And all the safety features which I have told you are also displaying on your screen. If you want to read them, you can read all that. You get tilt and telescopic both steering adjustment in this car. And if we talk about the comfort and convenience this cars offer, you get automatic climate control, front AC, rear AC, third row AC blower is also available with heater, vanity mirrors on sun visor, and this is the power window control for the rear seat. As you can see, the speaker is also provided here. And the red stop light, I don't know what is said to this light. I think this is a rescue light, or you can say indicator that door is opened. As you can see, this is the space on the rear seat, second row seat. As you can see, child safety lock. As you can see, parking sensor at the rear you also get. Cruise control is also available in this car. Headlight off and ignition key off reminder. Keyless start, as we have known as engine start, push button start. This is the seat belts for the rear seat, and you get 3 headrests as you can see, and a armrest. And I think this armrest gets 2 cup holders. Oh yes, I am right. This armrest gets 2 cup holders. And the AC vents are provided on the B pillars of this car for the second row seats. As you can see, there is no middle rear AC vent under the armrest. As you can see, the speakers looks very good, and the B pillar AC vents are also provided to you. And if we talk about the seat adjustment, you get 6-way manually adjustable front passenger seat and 2-way manually adjustable third row seat. Driver seat is 6-way electrically adjustable, which is a very good thing. And these are the AC vents. As you can see here, this AC vents looks much older. I think Mahindra, you should upgrade it, but these are for third row. That's not a big issue. You get a cup holder at third row. And this is the front look by the third row. As you can see, dashboard looks very nice by the typical Mahindra styling. As you can see here, the 3-spoke steering wheel. You get the dashboard, and the infotainment system is also available. Seat upholstery is obviously of leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear knob, and this sunroof gets only in the W11 optional variant, which variant you are seeing on your screen. These are the grab handles. There are 3 grab handles in this car. And if we talk about the interior colors, you get premium tan and black, which I am showing you. That color I am showing you is the premium tan color. This is the massive front look of the car. As you can see, the indicators are on, and this is the typical Mahindra style XUV 500 key. In my hand, you get a home headlamp feature. I think this is also known as home headlamp feature. This is the front gate, driver gate. As you can see, XUV 500 gliding on the footstep. You get sunglass holder, and these are the controls for ORVM and the power windows which are given you. This is the entrance of the XUV 500, which is a typical entrance as the BS4. And this is the electric buttons for the adjustment of 6-way electrically adjustable. And these are the pedals of this car. As you can see, aluminium brushed finish is given. This is the light adjuster and fuel tank opener. As you can see here, this is the front AC vent for the driver. This is the headrest of the front seats. As you can see, the seats look very luxurious. If you see, this is the steering wheel by Mahindra, which gets a Mahindra logo, and voice command and cruise controls is also provided on it. And if we talk about the you get a sunroof, and these are the controls for wiper. As you can see, and this is the center glove box, you can say, to store some important things. This is the automatic climate control of this car, and you get a engine push start button very close to gear knob. This is the upper and the downer glove box of this car. As you can see, you get 2 or you can say 3 glove box in this single car. And these are the grab handles provided to close the gate when you are entering the car. And you also get 2 reading lamp in it, and a very large light is also provided. This is the sunroof button, and this is the sunglass holder. And if we talk about the mirror, you get a small mirror because this is not that much big car. So this is the rear view mirror. As you can see on your screen, these are the sunshades for driver and co-driver, as you can see. And if we start the car, you will see the meter. Now see, the car is being, I have on the car, as you can see. This is the all new BS6 compliant, but it looks, the meter is similar to the BS4 as I know by my knowledge. This is the infotainment system. You get radio, FM, and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And if we talk about the engine of this car, you get 2175 cc 4-valve inline 4-valve cylinder DOHC engine, which is a Amhawk 155 cc engine. The variant you are seeing is a diesel variant. And if we talk about the pricing of this car, you get the ex-showroom price of this car, which is by Mahindra, is around 17,81,000. And this is the glove box, as you can see. These are the rear view mirror, the view from the inner. See, I have told you this is a diesel car. See, diesel written on the fuel cap. And if we talk about the engine, I have told you all the specs of engine, and also you can see on your screen. And I think this is all about the Mahindra XUV 500, and the base variant cost is you around 13,31,000.